Hello, in this video we will show you how to select the machine shims. Just double-click on machine. In opened window, you can see the library of machines that we have. Now we will select the Lathe ZX machine to enter into the Lathe mode. In our project now we have a Lathe machining. Clicking New, we can see the number of operations in Lathe mode. Now we will double-click again to enter the milling machine mode. Now we are into 3-axis milling machine mode. By clicking New, we can see the number of operations of the milling machine. Now we'll again double-click and select the new 4-axis milling machine. Here you can see the A-axis. Now we'll show you an example. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.